Welcome back to Deb's True Crime Notebook, where the documents just keep flowing every day in the Delphi case. It's true. We have another document to read to you, and we'll read it for you so you don't have to. Let's get right into it. Twist Media, LLC, by counsel respectfully moves to intervene in this action for the sole purpose of seeking access to public trial exhibits following denial of its request by the court reporter of Allen County. In support, Twist states the following. A. Factual background. 1. Twist is a highly reputed production company and produces programming focusing on news, investigation, and true crime series. 2. Twist is media company commissioned by ABC News and therefore media as that term is defined in IC 34-46-41 because Twist is involved in the dissemination of news and is connected with or employed by recognized press association or wire service and or licensed radio or television station as an editorial or reportorial employee who receives or has received income from legitimate gathering, writing, editing, interpreting, announcing, or broadcasting of news. See Indiana Newspapers Incorporated versus Junior Achievement of Central Indiana Incorporated 963, NE2D 534537, Indiana Court Appellate 2012. B. Motion to intervene. 9. Twist Media, LLC filed its motion to intervene and to compel access to public trial exhibits on February 7, 2025. 10. Twist Media, LLC's motion to intervene and to compel access to public trial exhibits specifically acknowledged that a separate media company had filed a similar motion to intervene and to compel access to public trial exhibits pursuant to the Indiana Public Records Act, APRA, seeking copies of public exhibits admitted during the trial in this case. 11. Twist Media, LLC's motion to intervene and to compel access to public trial exhibits sought relief similar to the relief requested by NBCU and under the same legal theory as NBCU and sought access to similar but not identical public exhibits. 12. On February 18, 2025, this honorable court issued its order of judgment of the court finding that NBCU and Twist Media LLC's request for public trial exhibits were vague and overbroad and do not request with specificity what is being requested. 13. This honorable court conditionally granted NBCU's motion to intervene and to compel access to public trial exhibits and conditionally granted the general public's motion to intervene and required the submission of specific particularized requests for the court to consider and accommodate appropriately. 14. Accordingly, Twist Media LLC's request leave to intervene in this action for the limited purpose of seeking access to the public trial exhibits listed below. Entered on October 18, 2024. Day 1. X drone video. A. One snapshot of the girls in the car and one snapshot photo of Abby crossing the Monon High Bridge. Entered on October 19, 2024. Day 2. 5. Map of the area. 6. Drone footage taken in 2024. 7. Marked up copy of map from Mullen with locations. 8. Photo of the crime scene from the Weber side of the creek. 7. Aerial map of Deer Creek, the bridge, and the nearby property of Ron Logan. 8. 9-minute drone video capturing the Delphi trails. 9. Drawings of trail maps by Mullen. X. Photographs of Libby's shirt and shoe in the muddy water of Deer Creek. Entered on October 21st, 2024, Day 3. X. Approximately 5 photos of the ground covered in dry leaves, twigs, etc., with the disturbance as though someone grabbed a rake and cleared all the leaves out of that spot. X. Photographs of the line of sight of the shirt and shoe from Giancola's perspective. X. Aerial photographs showing the victims in the woods. X. Aerial photographs of the scene. X. Aerial photographs of the girls' bodies, a close-up shot of Abby's neck injury, and blood on the ground underneath Libby's foot and leg. X. Digital diagram prepared by Page showing the location where Libby and Abby's bodies were found with topography and landmarks. X. Photos Page took showing crime scene tape, trees with the girls' bodies barely visible in the distance. One of the photos showing the girls' bodies with black marks covering Libby's naked body. X. Photos Page took from a ladder with the creek in the background and girls' bodies from a high view. X. Photos showing blood-stained patterns on a tree on the other side of Abby's body. 174. Sexual assault kit with subitem serological exam. 175. Sexual assault kit with subitem serological exam. Entered on 10/22/2024, day 4. 137. Lab number 65. Report reference bag containing a black and white Nike size 10 collected from Deer Creek. 138. Lab number 66. Report reference bag containing a pair of Hollister jeans, waist 26, length 33, collected from Deer Creek. 139. Lab 67. Report bag containing a tie-dyed T-shirt collected from Deer Creek. 134. Lab 68. Report reference bag with gray, no boundaries hoodie, size medium, collected from Deer Creek. 141. Lab number 69. Report for a pair of underwear collected from Deer Creek. 142. Lab 70. Report black and purple sock collected from Deer Creek. 143. Lab 71. A pink sock collected from Deer Creek. 144. Lab 72. Report reference green headscarf collected from Deer Creek. 145. Lab 78. Report black faded spaghetti strap camisole, size large, collected from Deer Creek, collected from Ground Zero, but taken to the Lafayette post instead of the Putnamville post, with the other items collected from Deer Creek. 146. Lab 14. Converse tennis shoe, right. 147. Lab 14. Converse tennis shoe, left. 148. Lab 16. 40 caliber Smith & Wesson cartridge, 6 to 7 photos of the cartridge in the ground. 149. Strand of material taken from between the fingers of Abby's right hand. 150. Strand of material taken from Abby's left arm. 151. Swab from the inside of Libby's left wrist. Swab from the inside of Libby's right arm. That's number 152. 153. Swab from above Libby's belly button. 154. Swab of high above the knee of Libby. 155. Strand of fibrous material from the pinky finger of Libby's left hand. 156. Swab of a blood stain on a tree 4 inches above ground level. 157. Lab 39. Black Nike tennis shoe under Abby's body. 158. Lab 40. Swab from blood on the ground between markers 3 and 4. 159. Lab 41. Swab from ground near Libby's feet. 160. Lab 42. Swab from ground directly below Libby's head. 161-43. Swab from the ground near the F tree. 162. Lab 44. Swab from the ground between F tree and Abby's body. 163. Lab 45. Swab from red stain below Abby's head. 164. Lab 46. Swab from F tree with red stains near the top of the north side of the tree. 165. Lab 47. Swab from red stain on the F tree near the bottom of the north side of the tree. 166. Lab 48. Swab from the left index finger of Libby. 167. Lab 49. Swab from left pinky finger of Libby. 168. iPhone found under Abby's body. 169. Lab 263. Swab Sergeant Gilbert collected from the cell phone before processing. 170. Swab from the left thigh of Libby. 171, swab from the right thigh of Libby. 172, swab from Libby's right breast. 173, swab from Libby's left breast. 174, sexual assault collection kit for Abby. 175, sexual assault collection kit for Libby. 176, trace fiber of Abby's left arm. 177, black hooded Delphi swim sweatshirt. It's a size 2XL with red stains. Items collected by Mullen for drying. 178, blue jeans size XL with red stains and dirt. Item collected by Mullen X for drying. 179, lab number 31, pink sleeveless shirt, unknown size with stains. Item collected by Mullen for drying. 180, lab 32, gray collection or gray cotton bra with stains collected by Mullen for drying. 181, lab 33, black bra with stains. Items collected by Mullen for drying. 181, Abby's autopsy photo showing pink sleeveless shirt with red stains and lines indicating the sweatshirt was damp on February 14th and still damp the following day at the autopsy. Went to the Putnamville Post for drying. 182, Google Earth map illustration with measurements of Monon High Bridge. 185, Sergeant Brian Booner's resume. 186, Post-it note on chain of custody. X, PDF of Cellubrite logical method report showing latitude and longitude of the metadata for Libby German's phone. 188, property record receipt. 189, photo of the front of Libby German's phone. 190, photo of the back of Libby German's phone. 191, Libby German phone with case on. 192, Libby German's phone with case off. 193, photo of Libby German's SIM card. 194, photo of Libby German's phone screen locked. 195, photo of Libby German's phone setting showing Liberty's iPhone landscape mode. 196, photo of Liberty German's iCloud setting showing Liberty German at iCloud.com in landscape mode. 197, photo of Libby German Apple ID settings, landscape mode. 198, photo of Libby German's iMessage settings. 199, photo of Libby German's settings for Find My iPhone showing it was on, landscape mode. 200, raw video from Libby German's phone of the bridge, only 30 of the 43 seconds. 201, screenshot of a man behind Abby and Libby German's video. 202, screenshot of a man behind Abby and Libby German's video. 203, screenshot of a man behind Abby and Libby German's video. 204 and 205 are also screenshot of a man behind Abby and Libby German's video. 206, photo of Libby German's general setting showing estimated time zone AT&T. X, Cellubrite map prepared by Booner of the coordinates of metadata produced by the video on Libby German's phone at 2:13 p.m. 207, 43-second audio clip enhanced by Chapman. 208, Jerry Chapman's resume. 209, 5 pages of report written by ISP audiovisual tech Jerry Chapman, containing the original still frames 370, 347, 343, taken from Libby German's video, and the finished product after he modified it. 209, raw video from Libby German's phone on the High Bridge in its entirety. 210, still frame from interpolated bridge guy. 211, copies of Bree Wilbur's snapshot photo from 2/13/2017, one photo of Monon High Bridge taken at 12:43 p.m. and one photo at the benches at 1:26 p.m. 212, copy of Betsy Blair's Fitbit data. 213, still frame from HHS video. 214, still frame from HHS video showing Betsy Blair's car driving eastbound and at 12:56 p.m. and 12:59 p.m. 215, still frame from HHS video showing Betsy Blair's car driving westbound at 2 p.m. or 1:15 p.m. 216, still frame from HHS video showing Betsy Blair's car driving eastbound at 1:46 p.m. 217, still frame from HHS video showing Kelsey German's car driving eastbound at 1:49 p.m. 218, still frame from HHS video showing Betsy Blair's car driving westbound at 2:18 p.m. 2:19 p.m., still frame from HHS video showing Sarah Carbaugh's car driving eastbound at 3:56 p.m. X, report and affidavit of FBI officer who retrieved video and identified cars. X, Sarah Carbaugh marked mud and blood on BG image. Entered on October 23, 2024, day 5. 123, autopsy photo. 124, 25, 126, 127, 128, 129, and 130 are also autopsy photo. On page 8, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137 are also autopsy photo. 220, diagrams of the crime scene. 222, autopsy photo of the injury close up. 223A, autopsy schematic for Abby. 223L, autopsy schematic for Libby. 224, autopsy photo of injury close up. 225, Cecil's June 26, 2019 extraction. 226, copy of Snapchat photo of Abby walking on Monon High Bridge. This photo, Abby on the bridge, was found by Cecil on the internet, not Libby's phone or Snapchat. A, original image of Abby on bridge with no timestamp. P, Libby German's phone timeline from Cecil's extraction. P, original Knowledge Seed Database Report 2017 or 2019 ? X, battery levels on phone report. Extended or entered on October 24th, 2024. Day 6 is 228 lead sheet, approximately 2 pages. 229 RA lead sheet. 230 Doolin's notes from his 12/18/17 interview with RA. 231 Doolin's narrative from his 2/18/2017 interview with RA. 232 top half of lead sheet from Kathy Shank showing additional info about Orion disposition. 233 HHS video frame by frame from east to west. 234 HHS video frame from east to west. That includes 235, 236, and 237, also video frame by frame from east to west. Also 238, 239, 240, 241, 242 are HHS video frame by frame from east to west. 243, close-up of vehicle and frame. 244, photo of RA's car at CVS. 245, photo of RA's car at CVS. 246, HHS video. 246, HHS video doesn't show plate, VIN, or driver, not sure what this is. 246, enhanced version of the Bridge Guy video. 247, photograph of items sized in search. Also 248, 247, 248, 249, 250, 51, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, all the way down through 267 are photograph of items seized in search. On page 10, 268 all the way through to 275 are also photograph of items seized in search. 276 is sealed box with handgun inside. Entered on October 25th, 2024, day 7. X, surface area images of bullet comparison admitted conditionally. Entered on October 27th, 2024, day 8. X, recording of the entire interview October 26, 2022 between Holman and RA. Entered on 10/28/24, day 9. X Lab 17, autopsy collected items. 18 and 27 lab are also report of autopsy collected items, as well as 48 lab number 16 is unspent cartridge from the crime scene. 248 DNA from Derek German. 286 DNA report. 286 crime scene photo of the blood that was a stain on the tree. 287 crime scene photo of the blood that was stained on the tree that was about 2 feet from the base of the tree. 288 closer image of the crime scene photo of the blood that was a stain on the tree that was about 2 feet from the base of the tree with chemical reactions about 2 feet above the ground. Entered on October 29, 2024, day 10, is number 290, a video of RA's October 13, 2023 interview. 291, video of RA's October 26, 2023 interview. 292, RA's request for an interview with the warden. Entered on 10/30/24, that's 2024, day 11. X, a binder of Walla's notes of the following dates: November 7th, 2022, November 8th, 2022, the 9th, the 10th, November 18th, the 21st, the 24th, 25th, December 6th. All of these are of 2022. December 29th of 2022. In 2023, we're looking for January 17th, April 4th, April 7th, April 10th, the 12th, the 13th, the 17th, the 20th, the 21st, the 25th, the 28th, May 11th, the 18th, the 26th, June 5th, the 26th, August 16th, 2023. Entered on October 31st, 2024, day 12. 303, Walla's May 3rd, 2023 report. 306, picture of Richard Allen taken sometime approximately between 2016 and 2017. 307, picture of Richard Allen taken sometime approximately between 2016 and 2017. 308, picture of Richard Allen taken between 2016 and 2017. 309 is the same type of information. 311, Brad Weber's 2000 Ford Econoline van. 313, zip drive containing audio recordings of conversations between Richard Allen, Janice Allen, and Kathy Allen. Audio recording dated November 22nd, 2022 between Richard and Kathy, if not contained in Exhibit 313. Audio recorded dated April 2nd, 2023 between Allen and Janice. Audio recorded between Janice and Allen on 3/12 of April 3rd, containing exhibit in 313. Audio recorded dated April 3rd between Richard Allen and Kathy Allen at 5:14 a.m., if not contained in 313. Audio recorded dated April 3rd between Richard Allen and Kathy Allen at 8:45 a.m. Audio recorded dated May 10th, 2023 between Richard and Kathy at 11:05. Also, audio recorded on June 5th between Richard and Kathy, and that does not have an exact time. Audio recorded dated May 17th between Richard Allen and Janice Allen. Audio recorded dated June 5th between Richard Allen and Kathy Allen, and audio on June 11th between Richard and Kathy Allen. On page 13, audio recording dated June 11th between Richard and Kathy Allen. 314, video of Richard Allen at Wabash Correctional Facility. 289, video of the Fujako account details and Google searches. UU letter from Cheyenne to LE about everything. And XX, 15 camcorder videos played to help jurors understand the harsh conditions Richard Allen was subject to at WCF in April, May, and June of 2023. Video 1 to 2 minutes, 22 seconds long from April 5th to April 13th. Also one from 2 to 2 minutes, 1 second long from April 5th to April 13th. Video 3 to 5 minutes, 17 seconds long from April 13th. Contain nudity. Video 4, 3 minutes, 43 seconds long from April 14th. Jurors took lots of notes on this video. Video 5, 2 minutes and 57 seconds long from April 17th. Also video from April 17th that contained nudity. Another one that was 28 minutes long that contained nudity. And also there's another one from April 18th, one from April 21st, one from April 28th contained nudity, one from May 26th, May 20th, May 26th again, May 30th, and June 20th. YY info sheet about video 1 and Exhibit XX. ZZ info sheet about video 2 and Exhibit XX. Entered on 11/1/2024, day 13. AAA document related to Brad Heath's work scans at 1:46 p.m. and 2:06 p.m. Triple B, photo of vehicle resembling that one of Brad Heath saw around 2:06 p.m. Triple C, February 13th, 2017, report written by Fire Chief Daryl Sterrett, who attended the search. X, FBI 302 report, Brad Weber's statement of February 19th, 2017. Entered 11/2/2024, day 14, Triple D stitched together prison video from 2 to 7 p.m. on April 12, 2023, and 8 to 10 a.m. on May 25, 2023, updated to remove audio and verify dates, times. Triple E, updated master sheet of itemized the Triple D videos from date, time, and length. Entered on 11/4/2024, which was day 15. Triple F, Dr. Westcott's 127-page INE report from March 31st, 2023. Triple G, RA's handwritten letter from White County Jail and Kathy Allen for comparison. Triple H, printout of the Objective Personality Test, MCMI, made of 12 supplemental test assessments tools. 3. Thumb drive of video in 5-minute chunks from hundreds of hours from a surveillance camera in RA's cell to show RA's life between November 2022, when he was sent to Westville, until later in 2023, when he was sent to Wabash Valley Correctional Facility, and then eventually to the Cass County Jail. Triple J, list of Ford Focus hatchbacks registered in Cass County, Tippecanoe, and White counties from 2011 to 2017. Not allowed. Triple K, picture of Brad Weber's garage taken on February 19, 2017, showing sticks and a large tree branch that had been cut. M, PDF or Cecil's extraction report on Libby German's phone's database. Entered on November 6, 2024, day 17, X, 1 page of pings to Libby German's cell phone on February 13th that were pertinent to the investigation, sent to Mullen by Blotcher from AT&T. X, video from WCF on June 20th, 2023. X, Dr. Martin's notes about RA's treatment. X, medication log. X, charter logs. 15. Twist seeks intervention from limited purpose as a surrogate for the public. See Richmond Newspaper Incorporated versus Virginia 448 U.S. 555, 573, 1980. Wherefore, Twist respectfully requests that the court, 1. Grant Twist leave to intervene in the above captioned cause for the limited purpose of seeking access to public trial exhibits. 2. Compel the court reporter of Allen County to provide Twist copies of the exhibits covered by the priority request as admitted at trial and not under seal at the court's earliest opportunity. 3. Compel the court reporter of Allen County to provide Twist copies of the remainder of the public trial exhibits as admitted at trial and not under seal within a reasonable time from the date of this order. And 4. All other just and appropriate relief. It is signed Lewis Wagner, LLP, by Robert F. Foos, Jr., and that's counsel for Twist Media, LLC. Okay, so I know that this was a very dry, difficult thing to listen to, a list of items, but I think it's very important. And I also know that some of those items were difficult for me to read because they pertain to the condition of the girls, and I'm sure they were difficult for you to hear, and I'm so sorry for that. But I think it's very important to know what's being requested. And also this shows you the amount of evidence that there was presented in this trial. And there are a lot of people who never even attended one day of trial who will tell you that there was hardly any evidence in this case. That's not true. There was a lot of evidence, and it all works together to paint a picture of what happened with the girls. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me through all of this, and we'll see if she grants their request. They did a very good job of presenting specifically what they needed, and that's what she asked for. So we'll find out very soon, I'm sure, if she's going to grant this. So we'll see you next time on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell for all notifications. Share this in your group and with some friends. By the way, I'm really close to hitting another mile mark on here of 2,600. So if you have friends you can recommend, I really appreciate that. And also leave me a comment. What do you think about some of these items? Do they stick out in your mind? Are you curious about some of them? Let us know what you think in the comments. We'll see you again soon.